we created Genes2Me with a very significant vision to bring a disruptive approach in the diagnostic arena and in a lot of different spaces. We saw a significant gap in terms of the current standards of the diagnostics available in the country and what's internationally available. And we found there is a kind of a significant opportunity where we wanted to bring some change in the way the preventive healthcare approach is seen in the Indian market. Major of the diseases are detected at the very late stage of the disease eruption. May it be cancer, may it be Alzheimer, may it be Parkinson, or many such diseases, which if you know ahead of time, you can really prevent them or prolong them for long. So we saw that kind of a disruptive opportunity where we found that if we combine the world of genetics, which is a very emerging era in the world market, and which gives you a lot of insights about yourself, about your predisposition to various health conditions, and combining that with the classic diagnostics preventive health package, we can bring a truly disruptive preventive health approach, which we try to create in the form of healthy solutions at Genes2Me, which gives you a complete preventive approach, not only from your classical health diagnostics, which gives you today's information, but in terms of the genetic insight, which tells you about your tomorrow's insight. We are participating with the government of India in the program of thalassemia and sickle cell, which is again a very preventive health condition, which is a genetic disorder and can be prevented completely if screened with the father and mother, and if both are carriers, the child has a very high probability being the thalassemic major. So those can be completed. So we are very strongly participated with Government of India initiative for controlling thalassemia and sickle cell. Likewise, we still have so many cancer deaths in India, particularly when we say breast cancer or ovarian cancer. And this is something which a large portion of can be prevented if you have genes responsible, for example, BRCA gene. And if you have a family history of breast cancer from happening, if you are able to detect and take appropriate measures to treat your cancers. Likewise, we talk about mother and child care segment. I was very surprised to see the statistics in terms of India has the highest number of still deaths in the country, and which can a lot of time be prevented or protected by appropriate measures of genetic screening or newborn screening at an early stage, or prenatal screening in terms of the genetic health or various diseases, disorders, which you can screen today, which are conventionally not being possible. A lot of Down syndromes like NIPT based testings. So we have tried to bring an approach in mother and child care segment with the MyFit Baby kind of solutions, which gives you a comprehensive coverage to every pregnant mother, which goes from the first stage of her pregnancy trimester screening to the newborn screening stage of her child's delivery experience. Every test is covered in that program. So that gives a comprehensive coverage plan. And we can initiative which is basically enabling genetics for the billions, because a lot of these genetic tests has been conventionally very expensive or not affordable by the masses. We at Genes2Me took the initiative to bring it so cost effectively, which can be afforded or made part of any program for any screening for everybody. And that's why we truly believe it's our initiative for genetics for the billions and disruptive. I think it's a need for the Indian market drastically, because it can help you save lives significantly in long term. And we believe we can make a significant contribution to this change of Indian new diagnostic era. And Genes2Me will be the forefront of the consumer genomics space in India.